Hello, friends. Welcome to fourth grade. I'm Mrs. Marquez, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself and about this upcoming school year. First of all, I'm super excited to see students again. I'm ready to see friends, make new friends, see what adventures may come, and of course, we're going to learn some different things this school year as well. Well, currently I'm teaching fourth grade as Marla. I hope you're in this class and going to do those fun things this school year. I've taught fourth grade quite a few years, but I've also taught fifth grade for a year and sixth grade 2 times as well. That's a little bit about the school year. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. First of all, I am from a very, very small town. Actually grew up on a farm most of the time as my dad is a farmer and a rancher about 3.5 hours from here. So it's a little ways, not too far. So my family still lives where I grew up out on the farm, and it's fun to go visit and check out the cows and the different farm equipment. Currently, I live in Manhattan. I came here when I was 18 years old to attend Kansas State University. I graduated in education and went back yet again to gain my master's degree in special education. And of course, I love the Wildcats. That's what brought me here and what keeps me here. I love Manhattan. It's such a great community. K-State's still here. Some other things about myself other than I love K-State. My family is very important to me. Like I said, I have a mom and a dad, and then I have a younger brother who also still farms with my dad. And I'm currently married to Mr. Marquez, and we have two kiddos. We have Quinn, who's almost 5, and he's in preschool and loves dinosaurs. We have little Shayla. She is almost 1 year old, so we'll have a birthday party for her coming up. And she's just growing and changing and almost walking and full of different personalities. She's a fun little girl. And we also this summer got a cat. His name is Ghost. He's a large white cat. You guys will have to check out pictures of him. So he's very special to our family as well. A little bit more about me. I love spending time with my family and friends, like I've told you. I love Kansas State, like I told you, but I also like to go different places and explore. I like to cook and bake. I've done a lot of that this summer since we've had extra time at home. My favorite thing to eat and probably bake are desserts. I love it, especially ice cream, any sweet treat, really. And I love animals and I like to go shopping. That's one of my fun things I like to do. I'm excited to get to learn more about you this school year. Speaking of this school year, I'm excited. It's going to be different. We're going to be flexible. We're going to try things in a new way, and I love to brainstorm different possibilities this year that we've never done before, possibly. So, of course, we're going to make friends, have a good time, laugh together, learn together, and ride this adventure in the best way possible. I'm looking forward to a great 2020, 2021 school year with you. Signing out, this is Mrs. Marquez.